Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun we're going to be looking at this. Now this is an Ozito Plunge saw. Now it's German designed and I got this in to do a couple of jobs around the house and I thought I'd do an unboxing and have a quick demonstration and give you my opinion on whether this plunge saw is worth getting. Anyway, let's get in the box, see what we've got and we'll go from there. Okay, so the first thing out of the box is this, which is the all-important manual, which tells you how to install things and operate. It also comes with a 5-year warranty. So this is the first thing out of the box. Next is an Allen key. Now this is to put the blades on the unit, and unfortunately it doesn't actually attach to the unit, so don't lose this Allen key because you won't be able to put more blades on unless you match the size up. But they do include one in the box, and this is the one you get. Also comes with this, which is a guard rail which will attach to the unit, and this will help you do measurements for cutting various pieces of length of wood. So they include this as well in the box. Comes with 2 saw blades, one for wood and one for metal, so they give you something to start with at least, and down the track you can always buy more blades for doing other jobs, but at least they give you 2 in the box to begin with. Also comes with this attaches to the unit, and this is for extracting the dust from it when you connect the vacuum cleaner, so they give you this too in the box. And finally we've got the unit itself, and as you can see it's a reasonable size. It feels okay in the hand. It's quite heavy but it's not too heavy. Obviously you've got these 2 buttons here you have to push together to operate it, and of course it's a skinless one, so you have to already have the battery system for these type of units before you can use them. But overall the quality of it seems quite well built, and it definitely feels like it's going to do the job that I require it to do. So next, let me go and take this unit and use it on something I'm going to do. Now it's not actually the job that I'm going to do later on, which is actually what this unit's more designed for. The job that I'm just going to show you is just so you can see it in action cutting some wooden strips. So let's go and have a look at that, and then I'll give you my final thoughts at the end of this video. Well, there you go. There's my quick unboxing and test of this Ozito Plunge saw. And as I said earlier, the test I did wasn't actually what it's really designed for, but I just wanted to show you it cutting some wooden slats that needed cutting up. But what I've actually bought this for is actually for putting wall paneling up on a bedroom. So I'll be doing that project over the next couple of weeks. So I think this tool is great, and it's just what I was after. And if you're after a relatively cheap but reasonably decent plunge saw, I could recommend this. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.